Ever wondered how companies maintain order and fairness in a world of complex rules? It all comes down to corporate governance, the invisible framework that dictates how businesses operate. But here's the catch. Even advanced AI systems struggle to decode these rules. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary study that's reshaping how we approach AI and legal reasoning. Let's start with the basics. Corporate governance acts like a company's rulebook, governing everything from voting rights to leadership selection and takeover procedures. But these rules aren't straightforward. They're riddled with exceptions, overlapping clauses, and nuanced language. For example, a poison pill strategy can block hostile takeovers, while cumulative voting empowers smaller shareholders. The challenge? Teaching AI to grasp these subtleties. Enter Chancery, a groundbreaking tool designed to test AI's ability to reason through real-world corporate governance scenarios. Researchers at Sentient Labs crafted 502 questions based on actual company charters, from tech giants to healthcare providers. Each query asks, is this action permissible under the company's rules? Take this example. Can a shareholder with 20% ownership demand cumulative voting? The answer? No, unless the charter explicitly permits it, which most don't. Here's where things get interesting. Even top models like GPT-4o and Claude 3.7 Sonnet only achieved % accuracy. But when researchers paired them with reasoning frameworks like ReAct and CodeAct, performance soared to nearly 78%. These systems don't just memorize rules, they simulate human-like legal reasoning, breaking down scenarios step by step. Why does this matter? Corporate governance isn't just about compliance. It's about balancing power, protecting stakeholders, and preventing chaos. If AI can't navigate these gray areas, it's stuck in a binary, yes-no mindset. Chancery changes that by pushing AI to analyze interactions between rules, not just isolated facts. Consider the Red Robin case. A severance plan for executives sparked a legal battle. Initial AI assessments deemed it acceptable, but the correct answer was no, because it diluted shareholder rights. The model missed the bigger picture, focusing on general rules rather than the company's specific charter. This highlights a critical insight. Legal reasoning isn't just about knowledge, it's about understanding how rules interact. What's next? Researchers are using Chancery to tackle complex scenarios like anti-greenmail provisions and staggered board terms. It's a roadmap for building smarter legal tools, but it also underscores how much we still have to learn. In a world where AI increasingly influences legal decisions, tools like Chancery are vital. They're not just benchmarks, they're stepping stones toward machines that grasp the why behind the rules, not just the what. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into AI, law, and cutting-edge research, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. What legal mysteries would you like to see unpacked next? Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.